Okay, so you have mom guilt and you are a working mama, and kudos to you because it is definitely not easy, especially if you're trying to do it all yourself as a solopreneur. And I definitely understand what that's like because I did that as well. I started my business at $500 weddings, booked a crap ton of weddings, and also was a stay-at-home mom to two littles under 3. And so I know what that's like to be working 40 plus hours a week in the margins while also trying to be present for your kids and feeling all of the mom guilt. So I'll say, I've been through the entire mom guilt journey, and now I'm finally in a place that feels really healthy and feels empowering for both me and my children. But I will say that I feel like mom guilt stems from what you believe to be true about being a mom. And so, if you believe that in order to be a good mom, you have to be present 24/7, then it really doesn't matter how little you're working. You're always going to feel guilty because you hold this belief that you doing something you love and working is bad. And that means you're a bad mom because they're not getting 100% of your attention, And so one thing I will say to that specifically is your children need to see you work. They need to see you excited about something. They need to see you passionate about something. They need that because then they're able to apply that in their own life, right? So they're able to see you working and working hard on something and being excited about something, because then they're able to say, I want to work hard on something. I want to do something I'm passionate about. I want to grow something that I feel so excited about that going to work is not a chore. And I want to be doing this thing. Like, this is my hobby. The second thing is, you need to understand what you're doing this for, and you're doing it for your kids, right? You're doing it so that you can provide a better life. You're doing it so that you can work part-time. You're doing it so that you can have freedom. And, often I found through my own journey that when I reframed what I thought it meant to be, when I reframed my belief system of what I thought a good mom is, and I really switched it to, well, a good mom shows by example, right? A good mom shows how to be a hard worker and how to have joy by example, but a good mom also plans for the future, and that includes financially. And if there's something that, I or you feel called to do, which is your business, then you owe it to your children to make a crap ton of money doing it, so that you can not just show them the principles and that it takes to really work hard and have something be successful, but you can also provide them with a really financially abundant life, so that they won't have money lack mindset in the future. So there's so many levels to it, but just remember to always reframe how you're approaching it. What is your belief system about being a good mom? Is that belief system true? And if it's not true, every time you have a bad thought, how can you reframe that to remind yourself that the things that you want to do are actually good? And if you feel like you're just doing too much work, which is a thing too, you're working 40 plus hours a week, and this was supposed to be giving you free time back, then you need to look at your business structure and how you're structuring everything so that you can build up some free time for yourself and your family.